This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser pop-ups that are related to the site News-xivasa.cc. News-xivasa.cc is a malicious website. Right now it attacks Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. News-xivasa.cc tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you watch some video. But to click on allow button would actually hijack your browser with multiple ads that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. These notifications are not decent, so if you have clicked on allow, go to the menu, go to settings, privacy and security, site settings. In permissions, choose notifications and pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this News-xivasa, remove it from the list. I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.